It's good. Good.
It's good.
It's good. What is up, guys? If you clicked on this video, it's probably because you threw an engine code, specifically code P0502, which is vehicle speed sensor low input. So I'm going to show you how to fix it because this week my trusty Subaru has been a little temperamental.
Trusty?
Yeah, well, that's a strong word. Yeah. So this could happen for a number of reasons. But where do you start? New vehicle speed sensor. So this is what it looks like. Kind of hard to see. It's about, what do you say, 1.5 2 inches long.
Yep. And what's the? Oh yeah.
Yeah, open it up.
Unboxing. Oh, box it.
Unbox therapy.
Speed sensor part 85082AE000.
Oh man, legit.
And that's the same part number for WRXs and Prezas.
Trifectas, Outbacks.
Pretty much everything with a manual transmission. So, how's she look? Ready to go in?
Great. Yeah. Thread sealant already on there.
Yeah. So,
I don't know what else I can say about this.
well, she looks good. We're gonna have to get some light in here. Let's cut to that now. So Matt's getting this lighting dialed in. But real quick, if your speedometer isn't working, that is no fucking good. That means your gear in your transmission is probably stripped, and you probably have to, unfortunately, take the tranny out, split the case, and get that broken gear out of there. But luckily, my speedo is still reading correctly, so hopefully it's just a signaling issue. Oh shit, it probably broke it already. Where is it? Is it back in the box?
Yeah, I put it back in the box.
So first place to start, put the sensor in. Hopefully there's nothing janky going on with the wiring. But, let's get to work. So guys and gals, here it is on the top of the transmission. Right here. If you have a top mount intercooler, you're going to have to take that off. But since I'm a ultra freaking racer boy, I have these intercooler pipes. But I could probably get away with just getting my little girl hands in here and getting it out. Well, let's try it while we're live. Yeah, disconnect it. And yeah, I need another hand. Can you see in here at all, or is it too dark?
What are we doing here? Drive it, Ryan.
So we need to get ourselves a 17mm open-ended wrench. It's a little tricky, a little tight, but so are all these cars. So very close to the housing, I think you probably hear it pop on, and then it should come loose. See it start to twist. And I'm hitting my downpipe now, but maybe I could finger it out without breaking it.
Hey Ryan, you got a new tool. Let's hear about it.
Hey, pro tip: if you have a little stubby wrench, this is real ideal for this job.
If you have cheap ones, you can cut them too.
True. You do Before-Wiser?
Yes.
Yeah.
When I did my oil cooler kit.
Oh yeah. See, we got all kinds of room now.
Oh.
Slowly but surely. Don't make any sudden moves. Probably a pretty fragile part at this time in life. After seeing many heat cycles.
Being plastic.
And being plastic. And 11 years old. But it's coming. It's ready to come out.
Got her.
Oh yeah. Oh, wait a minute. This doesn't look good.
What?
Missing half of it.
So is that what's broken?
It must be broken. Let's hope I don't have to pull the trans down. No, I think I could get a needle nose in there and snake this out.
Is it the piece is still in the trans?
Yeah.
Need a magnet.
Okay.
What are you hunting for there, Ryan?
what would you call this? Probe? The receiver?
I don't know.
Well, whatever I was hunting
The piece
for.
that spins.
Yeah,
It's broken off.
it was broken. So therein lies our issue, which is good. It's real good. Let's replace it with the new one. Yeah. What are you snickering about over there? Q money quizzes. All right, let's put this new fresh baby in there. Let's not go too crazy with the torque here. You know,
It is plastic.
it's plastic. She's new, but let's be gentle. Nice and easy.
So what were the exact symptoms you were experiencing?
So, just about twice a day, aka my morning commute and evening commute, I would get on the throttle a little bit and it would immediately go into limp mode. Hit boost cut it would limit me to 4,000 RPMs. Cut all power, check engine light would come on. So, that got a little annoying after a week of driving to work and back. But luckily Subaru had this in stock. We should be back in business. So guys, I think you could just get this all the way tight with your fingers until you'll feel it stop. No need to take the 17 on here. The threads are clean. Just plug it back in.
We go smoke some Hondas.
And we go smoke some Hondas.
Whoa.
Oh,
Oh. Not S2000. Yeah.
this fool's running S2000.
I would definitely smoke my S2000.
All right. So there you have it.
Woo!
I would say job well done, but we haven't started and tested it yet. So let's make sure she's good. We'll do a little road test.
What's up, boys?
And oh, now he shows up.
Oh,
huh?
I just want to make sure that
now
I
we're
just
done.
want to make sure you
Okay.
guys are, know what you're doing,
Uh-huh.
and that you got everything under control here.
Does it look good?
Let's see here. Yep. I see. There's your issue right there. Yep.
Yeah.
Just look at that.
Would you look at
Just look at it.
What's going on here with this engine?
It's mounted the wrong way.
Is it
entirely?
Oh, is it sideways?
See, the real problem here is that pistons and rods are going this way, and that defies gravity. And yeah,
Hey, let me get your nipple rings.
get your fucking World War II engine out of here.
So there you have it, guys. That's how you clear a P0502 engine code. New vehicle sensor, vehicle speed sensor is all you needed. I hope this was helpful. And jeez,
excuse
Louise,
me, excuse
this
me.
guy just sneaks up on me every once in a while. You can't trust him. Stay tuned for the next tech video on the slip angle. You know, we're always here to help you guys out.
With your Subarus.
Don't lie to them.
See you next time. Peace.